Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, friends. This is Masood again with some advanced Excel tips and tricks. Today, we are going to learn about one very nice tip for Excel, which is called flash fill. Okay, for example, in this table, we have first name, last name, and you want to join both these names, first name and last name. So, in the past, you used to do concatenation and used to combine these two texts. Okay. Now I will show you one quick tip where you can see where you like it, and it's very quick and it's very wonderful. This will work only if you don't have any gaps here. Okay, there shouldn't be any gaps. Okay, and it should work on the continuous column if you want here or if you want here. Okay, if you put here, it will not work. So you just click here in the full name and start typing here JOHNSMIT then press enter, and there is one shortcut key, control E. Press control E. See, now all the names, first name and last name, is joined. Okay, now if you click here, then accept suggestion. Okay, halas done. This is it. It's a very quick tip, right? I hope you like this tip. Okay, this is second tip. This is also related to flash fill. So now I will show you another tip related to flash fill. Okay, let's say you need the initials John Smith, J and S. Okay, look at this. What I will do, I'll do the same thing, J and S. Press enter, then press Control E. Look at this. See how quickly it gave you the initials for the first name and the last name. Isn't it wonderful? Let's see in the next step. Okay, this is the third tip, also related to flash fill. For example, my requirement now, I want to generate a student ID by combining initials and the student ID number. So I'll do like this. Type the initial JS dash, then 2312, press enter and press Control E. Look at this, accept the changes, accept the suggestions, and that's it, done. Okay, friends, this is the fourth tip for Excel. Let's say you have a data like this, some marks for some students, and you want to find out the rank of each student in this list. Okay, so we have a very nice function in Excel. We can apply and find out the rank very quickly. Okay, we have three types of ranks. One is normal rank and rank average and rank EQ. Okay, so let's first work with the rank equal to RANK rank. Move down, press tab key, find out the rank of this student, press comma key from this range of cells. Okay, see, we learned before how to make referencing of the cell ranges. Now highlight this and freeze this by pressing F4 key and close the parenthesis. Okay, then press enter. So this is now 19th rank for this student in the whole list. So you see a small plus crosshair, you just double click here, you will get the ranks. Now see, 100 is one first rank, second rank, third rank. See, these colored ones means duplicates. We have same marks, so the rank is also same. Okay, now let's move on to the rank average. It's same, but it just gives the average of the rank. So equal to RANK, sorry about that, average. Then this student marks in this range. Press Control Alt, press Control Shift and down arrow. Then freeze this range. Okay, by pressing F4 key and close the brackets and press enter. See, If you double click is this cross arrow, see here you can see the average rank. And what is rank EQ? It's nothing but the same like a rank. So, but let us try also this one. Equal to rank EQ, then this student in the reference, select control shift down arrow, then freeze this range by pressing F4 key and close the brackets, press enter. Now double click this crosshair, you will get this one. So isn't it very quick to find out the ranks? So I hope you like this tip. Let's go to the next last tip, which is very nice also. See you there. Okay friends, today's last tip, which is called transpose. Okay, what does transpose means? Transpose means you have a data like this in this style and you want the data in horizontal style like this style. Okay, how can you do that? There are two ways of doing this. One is a static way is called, another is a dynamic way. Okay, now let us first start with a static way. Just click here, press Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Okay, then click here, then press Alt HBT, Alt HVT. See, this is transformed into a horizontal way, horizontal style. Okay, isn't it good? Okay, but this is the problem. There is one problem here. For example, let's say I will change here to 70. See, it doesn't change here. So this is the problem here. So now I will show you which is the dynamic way. How can you do that dynamic way of transposing the data? It's like this again. You just click here. Okay, type here equal to transpose an array, select the whole area. Okay, then again you have to freeze, press F4 key to freeze it, then close the brackets and press Control Enter. See, look at this. Now it's very quick by using a function which is called transpose. Now this is dynamic. For example, now I want to change it to this one 70, right? 70 is who? Oliver. So if I change it to 66, see it changes. Even see the format has been applied here. Okay, let me change this to 100. Okay, it changes now. So this is the way you can do transpose dynamically and in static way. I hope you like all these tips. Okay guys, see you next time in the next 5 tips again. Until then, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.